Welcome to one of the best restaurants on New York. Tonight we're visiting Taverner, one of the best Greek restaurants in town. Anyway, this restaurant's based on a famous continent known as ancient Greece. There's one of the paintings there. A lot has changed. They have like televisions, they have heat lamps, and they got special fish on display. Yep.
Please stop sending me pictures.
Got it. Anyway, there are two locations here in Queens. One is a restaurant that I've known so much. Well, it's on the other side of it. It's right where the Twin Towers are. You know, the World's Fair. Along with that huge metal planet Earth. However, that restaurant, it got moved to another location, and it was smaller than it usually was. It's at the same location, only it's, well, a few minutes earlier than where we usually go to. And then there's this one. It just recently opened up. I've been taking a liking to it. The reason why I like Taverner is because they have the best salad, and to give it extra flavor, you can top it off with olive oil, which makes it exciting.
Not that it matters with what we order.
Anyway, if you guys like Taverner, if you guys like Taverner, well, you should come on down here. I give it a 5-star review, and well, the business here, the services are delicious. Everything is delicious here.
Are you making a video?
Yes.
Are you showing yourself or the place?
I'm showing off the restaurant. They got a lot of amazing stuff here.
We'll show the fish now.
Anyway, if you guys have any interest, you guys are free to visit. Here are the ships in the back room. Like I mentioned before, we got some huge stuff coming up, starting with Magna Angemon. And let's see, what else am I drawing up soon? Oh yeah, coming soon, we'll be drawing Quintesson Starscream, Unicron. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, at the end of the year, I'll be drawing Sinoceratops. And get this, next year, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw SpongeBob's pineapple. I got a lot of huge stuff coming up soon. And here is the VIP area. Check out the lights here. Hey, ma'am. I'd say this restaurant's one of the best. Care to join? Yeah. How many years has this restaurant been open? What? 5 years, huh? Interesting. I find it interesting. I must say, it's awesome. How good is the quality here? How long has the quality been really good? How awesome has been the quality here? How awesome has it been here? I have a page. Kyle Freeman-Avina. Yeah, I'm only posting it because I love New York, especially Queens. You guys are free to visit it if you want. I've already got like 436 subscribers. Oh, sorry, I'm at 38. Anyway, you know how awesome it is here? Pretty amazing. I hope you enjoy your time. This restaurant is off the charts amazing. Excuse me, ma'am. You know what I rate this place? Excuse me, ma'am. You know how I would rate this place? It's awesome. I love it. Anyway, if you guys like Greek salad, and if you guys enjoy the best salads, here they are. Sorry, your salad is amazing. If you like, I got 3 things for you to enjoy. If you like Queens, if you like New York, if you like Greek restaurants, if you like Greek salad, this is the place that you should go to. I give it a 20-star review. And I hope you guys enjoy it here. It's always amazing at this restaurant. I love it. Mwah.